Morning everyone, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, December 5th. We've had choppy, erratic trade here of late that was seen yesterday when we had the markets on the ropes down sharply, but we fought our way back into the close and now we're getting a little bit follow-through support from yesterday's close here this morning. We're up in the neighborhood of around 1 to 2 cents in corn, up around 5 to 7 in the beans, 2.5 bucks in the meal, and the oil's up around 20 points, that being soybean oil. Even the beans and the meal made new highs for the move in the overnight trade. As I mentioned, the choppy trade that we've been seeing, we had the market on the ropes yesterday. Talked about how the open interest went down to start a new week, new month. That wasn't very good as far as seeing support coming in the marketplace from the speculative crowd. We also talked about yesterday where the South American corn basis levels were much weaker and business being done at cheaper than U.S. prices. Those two things kind of weighed on the market through most of the day yesterday. But on the break, what we are seeing is not so much corn business, but bean business, and we continue to see the rumors of maybe perhaps China picking up another 2 to 6 cargoes of U.S. beans off the PNW, some of the PNW strength. Reflective of the possibility that these rumors are being true, there's also talk that China was also looking for beans from Brazil for February shipment. So on the breaks, we're continuing to see the bean business and the bean business coming here to the U.S., but when we are on breaks and seeing corn and or wheat business, it's far and few between as far as the U.S. seeing that business come to us. So we fought our way back in the overnight trade. We have some reports coming on out this morning that can give us some direction from where we're at as far as starters go. The Canadians are going to come out with a crop production report here. We'll see if any of these rumors are true as far as USDA coming out with daily announcements later this morning. And then we'll also get our weekly ethanol stocks and production number out also later this morning, perhaps giving us some direction for today's trade. And tomorrow we'll get our weekly sales coming on out. We are also just continuing to monitor the weather. Nothing really changing as far as South America goes. Argentina is still wet, but they have a little bit of optimism in the extended forecast. Brazil's okay right now, and we're still looking for those rains for the winter wheat belt and for the Mississippi as far as navigation goes. Other than that, nothing really new in the delivery front. Still no meal. The corn, wheat, and soybean oil continue to get kicked around by the street names. So looking for a little bit of a choppy trade here for today's price action. We'll wait and see what these reports come out later on this morning. I will say, however, the breaks. We're doing business for the soybeans and soybean meal. Still struggling with the corn, giving the beans and the meal the better edge at this time. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.